welcome to my channel. Well, this is a super quick video because what do I have here? Well, I have a drone I've shown everybody before. This is the W drone or the Wolvy. It's a really cool drone, and when it's powered on, let me just show you here. It's like a DJI drone. You have to hit it twice, so once, twice. Come on, power up. There we go. See, it glows all sorts of strange little ways. And on the front, nice little bright headlight here, and I think you might be able to see it here. See this camera? This camera is movable. It's a 1080p. It goes up and down. Now, I flew this drone on a super cold day in the winter, and guess what? It's an awesome drone. I've got the prop guards on here, and I really love it. But the video came out not so good because there was a lot of jello in this here camera, and the reason there's jello in the camera is because there's these little rubber dampeners right here. And they froze, obviously, when it's cold. So as this here is shaking and these motors get cold and shake, well, the whole thing shakes. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to fly this indoors in a warm climate with the prop guards on so I don't go and take out somebody's eye, which would be mine. And I'll show you what the video looks like from this drone. And yeah, I've seen it indoors and I've flown it around and it actually looks good to me. So it's a really good drone. Maybe a little overpriced, but it is a good drone. So anyways, here, check out this video. All right, let's go to a wide angle lens. There we go. Follow me back, focus on me. Now we have more of the room, and let's power this on. Click, click, and it should come on to life. So that's on. Next thing we have to do is this really cool controller. This is probably one of the best controllers around because it's exactly like the old Phantom controllers. And just power that on. The drone should be going crazy. I'm trying to get both in the shot here. To make this here connect to that drone, move this stick up and down. Light should stop, and we're almost all set. On the back, let's just focus on the back of this controller here. So on the back of the controller, you have a little switch, and just push it one direction, which would be, let's see, can you see it? There you go, push it this way. If you go that way, that's GPS on, GPS off, and we're almost all set. Pull these sticks to the right to calibrate the gyro. You should be able to see it. The lights are gonna flash really quick. Let's see, come on, flash, there you go. And we're all set to take off. Pull them inwards. And we can take off. And now I'm going to try to land it back on my little desk over there. Got a lot of wind. Let's see if I can bring it down. Perfect. I'm not an expert pilot, but I do play one on YouTube. So yeah, all in all, a pretty good drone. Hopefully let's turn it that way. Hopefully the video showed up to be non-jello, because when I fly it around indoors, it's pretty good. Of course, outside with the cold, yeah, not so good. So if you live in a warm climate, then by all means, consider this here W Wolvy drone. See it back there on the little website. All right, take care. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll catch you in the next one.